Well, this has to be one of the coolest parts of writing a book. This is the unboxing of my new book, Purpose Made, 12 Steps to Discovering Your God-Given Purpose and Living an Abundant Life. This book has taken 3 years in production. It took about 6 months to write it, and then kind of sat on it for a while, and then we've gone through the editing phase. I've seen a proof from the printers, but this is so awesome to see the book finally in print. So let's unbox it. Book was printed by Bookprint here in Auckland, New Zealand, and they have printed all of my books so far, and they're amazing. So I definitely recommend those that printing company to anyone that's thinking of printing their own book. And there we go. And we open it up, and there she blows. Purpose Made. It's incredible to see this in print. Oh my gosh. Because when you see it, when you see the proof, it doesn't have the glossy cover. Sometimes it's not even bound. But this is amazing. So I'm super stoked. This is the culmination of a lot of hard work. And now we can get that book out and get it distributed so people can read it. So I hope you do. I hope you read it. Purpose Made, it's available from Amazon sites worldwide, paperback and Kindle, and from over 50 audiobook retailers worldwide, so you're going to find it somehow. But yeah, hope you read it. I'm so excited.